Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about gold, and the reason for which I want to break down gold because we are very near to having a good opportunity obviously capitalize on gold. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for gold and we will then going to see what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to combine technical analyze and sentiment analyze correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next moment on gold market. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulsive move, what we will expect? It should be create corrective pattern. This market exactly did. Market just completed one impulsive move and processing corrective pattern. After creation after corrective pattern, market should move to the upside for the create impulse correction and impulse pattern. Because currently we should understand how to behave on this corrective pattern. Let's go down into the weekly time frame, what we have from weekly perspective. Here on the weekly time frame, we can see very important thing. We can see market was created nice red candle like doji because market moved to the downside on this here to here and next come and rejected in this area, as well as now market currently near to the having a good strong support area, because on the weekly perspective we can expect market should move to the upside after touching this support area. In the monthly and weekly time frames are potentially moved to the upside. Let's go down into the daily perspective. What we can see on the daily time frame, we can see nice impulse correction impulse pattern. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulsive move, what we will expect? It should be create corrective pattern. After the corrective pattern, market should create another impulsive movement to the continuous to the downside, especially for the creation of lower low completion of the impulse correction and impulse pattern. This is market exactly did. Market just completed impulse correction and impulse pattern. So after created impulse correction and impulse pattern, what we can expect? After creation of impulse correction and impulse pattern, market should create another corrective pattern or another impulsive move to the upside. So in the daily time frame, market should move to the upside for creation of corrective pattern or another impulsive move. Not only that, market created very strong pattern on the daily market. We can clearly see overexpanded information. After overexpanded information, market should test on this neckline. On the monthly, weekly and daily time frame also showing potentially move to the upside. Now if we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing, what we can see the last report net position had increased net position from 246.6k to 257.5k with added 6k longs and getting close 4.8k. Important point that on previous 4 report shorts are getting close 2.3k, 3.6k, 6k and 4.8k. longs are starting getting to added, as well as short are 55.9k rich with 330.5k longs. It's massive amount of long compare with short because we can expect market should move to the upside. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with cold data are the best time frame for the measured direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bearish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bearish market to the 4-hour bullish market for the enter to the buy trade. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.